Good morning, everyone. Today, our chapter is differentiation 2. మనం ఎస్టర్డే నేర్చుకున్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కంటిన్యూషన్గా ఈరోజు లాగర్థమిక్ differentiation. What is the logarithmic differentiation? లాగర్థమిక్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఎలా చేస్తాము? Here, when a function of x is raised to a power which is a function of x, either the formula for x power n or that for a power n is not applicable. In such cases, we take logarithms and differentiate. This process is called logarithmic differentiation. What is the logarithmic differentiation? Logarithmic and differentiate. This process is called logarithmic differentiation. This process is also useful to find the derivative of function, which is the product of quotient of a number of functions. Okay, now here one of the important problem. Suppose ఒక ఫంక్షన్ మనము డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మనము ఆ ప్రాబ్లాన్ని we take logarithmic and differentiate. For example, if y equal x power n, x power x, find dy by dx, or differentiate x power x with respect to x. This is the one of the question, x power x. Here a function of x is raised a power which a function of x. Here function is the x, the power is the x, x power x. In such case we take logarithm and differentiate. First of all, here let y equal x power x. We take logarithmic on both sides. We get log y equal to log of x power x. Since log of x power n equal to n into log m, the law of logarithm, what is the law of logarithm? Log of x power n equal to n into log x log m. Here differentiate with respect to x, we get d by dx of log y equal d by dx of x into log x. Here LHS equal to the final differentiate value log y equal 1 by y. With respect to x, we differentiate with respect to x. Here the function is y, basic function is y. Therefore dy by dx, log y derivative is 1 by y into dy by dx, that equal to, here x into log x, uv, two functions are here product, we applying uv formula. Derivative of uv formula, what is the derivative of uv formula? Log u, the derivative of u plus derivative of v. V into x, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Here dy by dx equal x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of x. Here derivative of log x is 1 by x, derivative of x is the 1. The final solution is dy by dx equal y into 1 plus log x. Here y equal x power x. Therefore dy by dx equal x power x into 1 plus log x. Second one, the question, if y equals sin x power tan x, find dy by d. At the same time, solution, let y equal sin x power tan x. Applying on both sides log, we get log y equal tan x into log sin x. Now differentiate with respect x on both sides. dy by dx log y equal d by dx of tan x into log of sin x. LHS value is 1 by y dy by dx. RHS is UV method formula. Tan x into derivative of log of sin x plus log of sin x into derivative of tan x. Now dy by dx equal y into tan x into derivative of log of sin x. What is the log x derivative? 1 by x. Here x is sin x. So 1 by sin x into d by dx of sin x plus log sin x into derivative of tan x secant square x. Next step, sin x power tan x into cos x by sin x. Sin x derivative cos x by sin x plus secant square x into log sin x. Final, the solution is sin x power tan x into 1 plus secant square x plus log sin x. Next one of the problem. Find the derivative of sin x power log x plus x power sin x. These two functions are here some of the two functions. ఇండివిజువల్గా వీటి యొక్క సొల్యూషన్స్ కనుక్కొని యాడ్ చేస్తే సరిపోద్ది. లెట్ y ఈక్వల్ sin x పవర్ log x plus x power sin x. Here u plus v, where u is the sin x power log x and v is the x power sin x. Now derivative dy by dx equal derivative of u plus v, derivative u by derivative of u plus derivative of v. Consider u equal sin x power log x. This equal log u equal to both side, applying on both side log u equal log x into log sin x. This solution, the derivative with respect to x on both side, we get du by dx equal sin x power log x into cot x plus log of sin x by x. This is the one of the part u derivative. What is the u derivative? Du by dx equal. Now consider v equal x power sin x. The same the process, applying on both side log v equal sin x into log x. Derivative with respect to x on both side, log v derivative 1 by v dv by dx. Now v into sin x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of sin x. We are applying uv formula, derivative of uv formula. So dv by dx equal x power sin x into sin x by x plus log x into cos x. The final solution is dy by dx equal du by dx plus dv by dx. Now sin x power log x into cot x plus log of sin x by x plus x power sin x into sin x plus x plus log x into cos x. This is the solution of the given question. Next is example 5. If y equals sin x power sin x, find the dy by dx. So let y equal to sin x power sin x, taking logarithm on both sides. We get log y equal to sin x into log of sin x, derivative with respect to x on both sides, d by dx of log y equal d by dx of sin x into log of sin x. Now LHS is the value 1 by y dy by dx equal RH is the formula is UV formula, sin x into derivative of log of sin x plus log of sin x into derivative of sin x. What is the log of sin x? 1 by sin x into cos x. 1 by sin into cos x. Now sin x derivative cos x. Therefore dy by dx equal y into sin x into 1 by sin x into cos x. Log of sin x into cos x. X cancel, only the solution is sin x power sin x into cos x plus cos x into log of sin x. Next problem, example 6. If y equal x power 3x, find dy by dx. Here let y equal x power 3x, taking logarithm on both sides, log y equal log of x power 3x, that equal 3x into log x. Derivative with respect to x on both sides, dy by dx of log y equal to dy by dx of 3x into log x. All questions are derivative of log y. All questions LHS value same value, 1 by y dy by dx, 1 by y dy by dx. This is the standard value, no change. Any problems we take, we derivative on LHS, we get answer 1 by y dy by dx. Log y log y log y. LHS value always log y. So the derivative is 1 by y dy by dx. Okay, 1 by y dy by dx. RS is the, we applying always UV method formula, derivative of UV method. Any problems we observe that RHS derivative of UV, any two functions product లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి కంపల్సరీ UV method formula. Okay, derivative of UV formula. Here 3x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of 3x. dy by dx equal y into 3x into log x derivative 1 by x plus log x into 3x derivative 3. So the solution is x power 3x into 3 plus x cancel, 3 plus log 3 log x. Okay, this the questions power when the function of x raised to a power which is function of x. ఫంక్షన్కు పవర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా మనము లాగ్ అప్లై చేసుకోవాలి, డెరివేట్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ మెథడ్ క్వశ్చన్, పారామెట్రిక్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద పారామెట్రిక్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్? ద dependent and independent variable y and x will be expressed in terms of a third variable t as a x equal to f of t and y equal to g of t. Here t is called the parameter and the equation defining the functional relation between x and y are called parametric equation. Therefore dy by dx equal dy by dt into dt by dx. Now dy by dt by dx by dt. Therefore g dash of t f dash of t. G dash of t mean derivative of g of t. F dash of t mean derivative of f of t. Now for example, find dy by dx if x equals ct, y equals c by t. Example 1, 2, 3, 3 problems here. First one question is x equals ct, y equal c by t. Now solution, first one, here x equals ct and y equals c by t. First condition is the derivative, applying derivative on both sides with respect to t. X derivative with respect to t తో డెరివేట్ చేస్తే dx by dt, d by dt of ct. C constant, derivative of t is the 1 c. Dx by dt equals c. What is the value? Dx by dt equals c. Next condition, derivative with respect to t on both sides, dy by dt equals c by t. C by t. This is the c into t power minus 1. T power minus 1 is the minus 1 into t power minus 2. So therefore dy by dt is the 1 by minus 1 by t square. Minus 1 by minus c by t square. Now dy by dx equal dy by dt by dx by dt. That is called minus c by t square by c. C cancel, minus 1 by t square. Second question, x equal to at square, y equal to at. First condition is the derivative. What is the derivative of first condition? With respect to t తో చేసినప్పుడు x derivative dx by dt, at square, a constant value, t square derivative 2t. Okay, the value is dx by dt equal 2at. Now second condition, derivative is the dy by dt equal 2a. Therefore dy by dx is the form of dy by dx, equation 1 and 2. Okay, 2 by 1 we get dy by dx is form dy by dx equal dy by dt by dx by dt. Here dy by dt is the second condition, 2a. Dx by dt is the 2at. 2a cancel, 1 by t. Okay, third one is the solution, 1 by t. 1 by t. Fourth one is also same here. Okay, first condition is the derivative dx by dt with respect to t. Here derivative with respect to t on both sides, dx by dt equal 5 into 1 minus cos t. Second condition is the derivative value dy by dt equal 5 sin t. Here the formation of dy by dx equal 2 by 1, equation 2 by 1. Here what is the equation 2? Dy by dt equal 5 sin theta. Equation 1 is the dx by dt d theta. Now 2 by 1, dy by dx equal 5 sin theta by 5 into 1 minus cos theta. 5 cancel, sin by 1 minus cos theta. Here sin theta is the half angle formula. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by 1 minus cos theta is also half angle formula. 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 to cancel, sin theta by 2, sin theta by 2 cat cancel, cos theta by sin theta by 2. Cos by sin is the cot theta by 2. This is the solution. Next one is the find dy by dx if x equal a cos cube theta, y equal b sin cube. This is a very important question. Now the first condition is the derivative value is with respect to t, derivative with respect to t on both sides, dx by d theta equal d by d theta a cos cube theta. Here a constant value, cos cube theta derivative 3 cos square theta. Again the derivative cos theta. cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. The overall derivative is the minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. What is the cos cube theta? Minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. This is the equation. Next, second condition is the derivative. Right, dy by dt equal d by d theta b sin cube theta. Here the same process. Now sin cube theta derivative 3 sin square theta into sin theta derivative cos theta. So therefore the solution is 3b sin square theta cos theta. dy by d theta equal 3b sin square theta cos theta. This is equation 2 అనుకుంటే. Right now that therefore dy by dx is 2 by 1. 2 is the dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Now here dy by d theta is 3b sin square theta cos theta. Dx by theta is minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. Here 3 cancel, sin theta get cancel, cos theta cancel. Now minus b by a sin theta by cos theta minus b by a sin by cos tan అవుతుంది, minus b by a tan theta. Very simple question here. Next one, it is also same. Find dy by dx if x equal to a into theta plus sin theta, y equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Now equation example 1 here. First condition is the derivative. First condition derivative is dy by dt equal to minus a sin theta. Second condition derivative dx by d theta equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Here dy by dx equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. dy by d theta is minus a sin theta. Dx by theta is a into 1 plus cos theta. A cancel. Here applying an sin theta, sin to half angle formula, minus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by 1 plus cos theta. It is also half angle formula. Is there trigonometric formula 2 cos square theta by 2. Now 2 cancel, cos theta by cos theta get cancel, sin by cos tan minus tan theta by 2. Second problem is now first condition and second condition, what is the derivative value is. Now simplify, we get answer dy by dx equal to minus 2 sin theta plus theta cos theta by 2 cos theta minus theta into sin theta. Now example 4, it is also same problematic questions. These two questions are same. You try to understand, you get answers. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా మనం ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్కు, బేసికల్ ఫంక్షన్కు ఇంకో ఫంక్షన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు, అంటే పవర్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫంక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది పవర్ ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా లాగ్ ఫంక్షన్ అప్లై చేస్తాము, డెరివేట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే దిస్ ఇస్ ద లాగర్థమెటిక్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అంటాం. లాగర్థమిక్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఎప్పుడు చేస్తామంటే when a function of x is raised a power of which is a function of x, which is a function of x, like that sin x power sin x, x power tan x, x power sec x. These are now sin power x, sin power cos x, sin power tan x, sin power so on. These are like that a power of x, ఫంక్షన్ పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. ఇలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ we take applying log function, log we get derivative. Second method is the parametric. Is the here two functions are given here, individual ga condition 1 condition 2. Here derivative with respect to theta or derivative with respect to t so many type of problems here. First of all, you try to understand, and we learn formulas and we get solutions. First you try to um, practice. So many problems are take, you must practice. After that you write to solution, we get right to solution. Okay, thank you one and all.